Think your world knowledge is actually solid? Most people start missing by question 16. Let's see where your score ends. Can you see the Great Wall of China from space? Yes, no, or only at night? B. No. What type of shape is Earth? Perfect sphere, oblate spheroid, or flat? B. Oblate spheroid. Finland is part of which region? The Nordics, Scandinavia, or Eastern Europe? A. The Nordics. Egypt is located on how many continents? 1, 2, or 3? B. 2. Which U.S. state is actually the easternmost? Maine, Florida, or Alaska? C. Alaska. This is where people start second-guessing everything. What distorts map sizes near poles? Mercator projection, globe rotation, or latitude shift? A. Mercator projection. Which country is closest to Australia? New Zealand, Indonesia, or Papua New Guinea? C. Papua New Guinea. Is Holland actually a country, region, or city? B. A region. Is Great Britain referred as UK, Ireland only, or England only? B. Island only. Which is Australia is classified as? Continent, largest island, or peninsula? A continent. One is not true about deserts. Is it always hot, can be icy, or defined by dryness? Always hot. What does the U.S. border besides the Atlantic and Pacific? Indian Ocean, Arctic Ocean, or Southern Ocean? B. Arctic Ocean. Do you know which country is not Mediterranean? Italy, Greece, or Portugal? C. Portugal. Where is the Statue of Liberty located? New York only, New Jersey only, or both? C. Both. What is the longest highway in the U.S.? Route 66, I-90, or I-95? B. I-90. Most of the Sahara is sand, rock, or ice. B. Rock. Where are the pyramids of Giza located? Near Cairo, isolated desert, or underground? A. Near Cairo. What determines toilet water direction? Hemisphere, Coriolis force, or local plumbing? C. Local plumbing. Hawaii belongs to which region? North America, Oceania, or Asia? B. Oceania. Where is the Sinai Peninsula located? Africa, Asia, or Europe? B. Asia. If you're still holding strong, you're ahead of most people. From base to peak, which is the tallest mountain? Everest, K2, or Mauna Kea? C. Mauna Kea. Where can you see Russia from the U.S.? Nowhere, California, or Alaska? C. Alaska. Where is the true boundary between Europe and Asia? Multiple interpretations, clearly defined, or ocean-based? A. Multiple interpretations. How are time zones in Antarctica determined? Research station, longitude, or UN agreement? A research station. Did people in Columbus time believe the Earth was flat? Yes, no, or only sailors? B. No. Afghanistan is geographically part of Middle East, South Central Asia, or Europe? B. South Central Asia. What made Grunard Island dangerous? Anthrax, radiation, or lava? A. Anthrax. The Paris catacombs contain approximately how many bodies? Thousands, hundreds, or millions? C. Millions. What is a blue hole? Volcano, deep sinkhole, or ice cave? B. Deep sinkhole. Mount Everest's most dangerous section is Khumbu Icefall, Summit Ridge, or Base Camp? A. Khumbu Icefall. What is the Kamchatka Peninsula known for? Volcanoes, forests, or cities? A. Volcanoes. Antarctica's dry valleys are considered rainforest, desert, or glacier? B. Desert. Dalal, Ethiopia is known for coldest place, wettest place, or hottest place? C. Hottest place. Why is Vail du Javari so dangerous? Volcanoes, wildlife, or isolated tribes? C. Isolated tribes. Northern Greenland is dangerous mainly due to flooding, extreme cold, or earthquakes? B. Extreme cold. You made it this far. You either know or you don't. What is North Sentinel Island most known for? Animals, weather, or isolated tribe? C. Isolated tribe. Mariana Trench pressure is best described as mild, extreme, or normal? B. Extreme. Does Everest's icefall move daily, yearly, or never? A. Daily. Antarctica. UV exposure is high due to clouds, ice reflection, or altitude? B. Ice reflection. Which country has no rivers? Saudi Arabia, Oman, or Yemen? A. Saudi Arabia. Bonus question. Which is deeper than the Grand Canyon? Comment your guess. If you scored high, you're operating above average. Drop your score below and let me know which question stumped you the most.